principal at Otter Creek Middle School. This is one video in a series of 3 that will highlight some of the problems that we're hoping to solve with the building project at Otter Creek Middle School. At the end of this video, we'll provide information about a series of public meetings so that you can better understand our needs and current space, as well as the proposed building project. At the end of this video, we'll provide information about a series of public meetings so that you can better understand our needs and current space, as well as the proposed building project. There are 3 areas our building project will focus on. 1, our cafeteria, which I addressed in a previous video. 2, our music rooms, which I also addressed in a previous video. And our gymnasium, which I will detail further in a moment. First, it's important to know a little bit about Otter Creek. Otter Creek Middle School is the 3rd largest school, behind North and South High Schools in Vigo County. It absorbed a significant amount of students when Chauncey Rose Middle School closed 8 years ago. This building used to be an elementary school and a junior high school, which is why there's separation between an old side and a new side. One of the things that we're trying to do with this building project is provide more classroom space. We have teachers who do not have their own classrooms, and they're sharing what used to be closets as offices during their planning periods. We simply don't have enough classrooms, and some reimagining of our cafeteria will help us with this. For our PE teachers, the gymnasium is their classroom. We're the only Vigo County middle school that has 1 gym instead of 2. This is a big problem for us when we have an assembly or musical performance because it displaces our PE classes. We also have our fitness room taking up gym space over here in the corner. You can see it's under the HVAC system. And when the system gets serviced, we can't use the fitness room. An auxiliary gym, a resource every other school our size in the county has, would allow our PE programs and athletics to continue without interruption when we have other things going on in our main gym. It would also allow us to host more events, even renting this space to community organizations. Our locker rooms are in need of updates and repair, and this project will address those needs. We'll also repurpose the existing locker rooms as the fitness room, allowing for uninterrupted use of that space for PE classes.
Join us for virtual community meetings on Wednesday, October 21st or Wednesday, October 28th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. A link to a Zoom meeting will be provided, and you should visit tinyurl.com/OtterCreekRSVP to sign up for a meeting. We can accommodate a maximum of 200 attendees at each meeting, and you'll give feedback on options for the proposed renovation plan.